So as you can see here, this is the just opened our pool the other day, and our old Aquabot wasn't cutting the trick, so we ordered the Dolphin DX4. As you can see, it's plugged in over there in our bathhouse, pool house. It's been running for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes so far. I want to just get a video of how filthy the pool is and see how well this operates. Cleaning this up after we just got the pool going. I think it was Thursday of last week. Today's Monday. So the pool's been open effectively, 4 or 5 days. But definitely a lot of dirt and stuff at the bottom. So we'll update once this goes through its cycle.
The newest member of our team, right there. I was gonna hire a pool boy. I just bought one of these instead. I'm happy with the decision. It's going hard over there. He's definitely mopping too. He's out.
Doing some wall cleaning. Look at that thing.